Technology is ever evolving and it'll continue to change, and we have to adapt to it. So there'll always be new technical skills that we need to learn. It's a lifelong learning process, it's continuous learning. But I think something that is much more important that we're hearing from employers is the employability and workplace skills. So I think with AI being able to do a lot of work that was mundane or repetitive, people can focus more on the ideation process improvement, and problem solving. But for that, you need critical thinking skills and problem solving skills and communication, leadership. So I think that's where the focus would shift on how we can teach those skills better through applied learning or experiential learning or work-based learning experiences to students. The School of IT at Ivy Tech always tried to be industry aligned, and so we partnered with Center for Occupational Research and Development and Central Indiana Corporate Partnership to conduct 6 different industry sessions. At these sessions, we got the knowledge, skills, and abilities that our graduates need to be ready for AI-enabled roles, and we used those to build the AI courses and credentials and got it validated by industry. At the same time, we're also offering skills training through prompt engineering and intro to AI to make sure that we can provide that to folks who are looking for more customized training. All the different AI research papers that are coming out is something that we should look out for. There's some great research coming from universities and from think tanks, and they give you a really good perspective on how AI is impacting our brain, how is AI impacting workforce and the jobs of the future and the skills that we need to learn and our relationships. So I think it's always good to go through these research papers and actually see the hard data and facts that are being presented by the authors, because it gives you a good glimpse of how the world is changing and what do we need to be prepared for, and how do we need to adapt our college and our offerings with all the changes happening externally. I believe just like AI, there might be a new technology coming in the future. So I think Ivy Tech is going to follow the same foundational process of continue to engage employers and industries and professional associations to make sure that we get the experts in the room together and brainstorm and come up with things that we can map to our curriculum so we can keep it more adaptive and more modern to make sure that our students are getting the most value out of it and they're set for student success.